What does it mean to be an original? It's more than doing something first. It's doing something that has never been done, and doing it again and again. Valvoline introducing motor oil to the world, then improving it relentlessly. Inventing racing oil, high mileage oil, and the synthetic blend. Because an original only moves in one direction, forward. Valvoline, the original motor oil.